Welcome to this English speaking practice video for beginners. In this video, we will walk you through a real-life scenario, ordering food at a restaurant. Join John and Emma as they practice their English skills while enjoying a meal. This script will help you learn new phrases, understand common conversations, and build confidence when ordering food in English. Let's get started.
Wow, this place looks nice, Emma. It's been a while since I've been to a restaurant.
Yes, it's lovely, isn't it? I thought this would be a perfect place for us to practice English. Don't worry, I'll help you with the conversation.
Thanks, Emma. I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready to practice.
You'll do great, John. Just relax and take your time. We're here to have fun, remember?
You're right. Let's enjoy it.
Good evening. Welcome to the Gourmet Bistro. My name is Alex, and I'll be your waiter today. May I start you off with some drinks?
Good evening, Alex. Yes, please. Could you give us a moment to look at the menu?
Of course. Take your time. I'll be back shortly.
Okay, Emma. This is the part where I need to practice ordering. What do you recommend?
Well, it depends on what you're in the mood for. Do you want something light, or are you feeling hungry?
I'm pretty hungry. Maybe something filling but not too heavy. How about you?
I'm thinking about trying something new. The grilled salmon sounds delicious. But let's focus on you for now. Do you want to try ordering first?
Sure. I'll give it a shot.
Are you ready to order your drinks?
Yes, I'll have a glass of lemonade, please.
1 glass of lemonade. And for you, ma'am?
I'll have a sparkling water, please.
Great choice. I'll get those drinks for you right away. Do you need more time to decide on your meals?
I think we're ready to order. Right, Emma?
Yes, we're ready.
All right, what can I get for you today?
I'd like to order the grilled chicken with roasted vegetables, please.
Grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. Great choice. And how would you like your chicken cooked?
Pausing, then confidently medium, please.
Got it. And for you, ma'am?
I'll have the grilled salmon with a side of steamed broccoli, please.
Grilled salmon with steamed broccoli. Excellent choice. Would you like any appetizers or sides with your meal?
Oh, I think that's all for now. Thanks.
I'm good too, thank you.
Perfect. I'll get your order started. And your drinks will be out shortly.
That wasn't too bad. I think I did okay, right?
You did great, John. You ordered confidently and used the right phrases. How did it feel?
Honestly, it felt good. At first, I was a bit nervous, but once I started speaking, it got easier. I just need more practice, I guess.
Exactly. Practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the more natural it will feel. You handled the waiter's questions really well too.
Thanks, Emma. I couldn't have done it without your help. You made it seem so easy.
That's what friends are for. And hey, don't sell yourself short. You've been improving a lot lately.
Thanks. I'm really trying to work on my speaking skills. Ordering food in English was always something that made me nervous, but I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Definitely. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Just keep practicing, and you'll be ordering like a pro in no time.
Here we are. 1 grilled chicken with roasted vegetables and 1 grilled salmon with steamed broccoli. Enjoy your meal. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you.
This looks amazing. I'm glad I chose this.
It does look good. Let's dig in.
Wow, this chicken is so tender. I think I made the right choice.
Glad to hear that. My salmon is perfect too. So, what's next on your English practice list?
I think I need to work on my small talk skills. You know, casual conversations with people I don't know very well. It's easy to get stuck in my head and not know what to say.
I get that. Small talk can be tricky, especially in a new language. But it's all about keeping the conversation light and friendly. Start with simple questions, like asking how someone's day is going or talking about the weather.
Yeah, I guess I just need to get out of my comfort zone and practice more. Maybe I can start by chatting with people at the cafe or during my morning walk.
That's a great idea, John. The more you put yourself out there, the easier it will become. Just remember, everyone appreciates a friendly conversation, so don't worry too much about making mistakes.
How was everything? Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was delicious. Thank you.
Everything was perfect. Thank you, Alex.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu or maybe some coffee?
What do you think, Emma? Dessert or no dessert?
I think I'm too full for dessert, but coffee sounds good.
Same here. We'll have 2 coffees, please.
2 coffees coming right up.
I think today was a big step forward for me. I'm starting to feel more comfortable speaking English in public. This whole experience was really helpful.
I'm so proud of you, John. You've come a long way, and it shows. It's great to see your confidence growing.
Thanks, Emma. Your support means a lot. I'm going to keep practicing and pushing myself.
Good. And remember, we can always come back here for more practice sessions. Next time, you'll be able to order without even thinking twice about it.
Deal. I'm looking forward to it.
Here are your coffees. Enjoy.
Thank you. This has been a good day. Thanks for helping me practice, Emma. I feel like I've learned a lot.
I'm glad, John. It's been fun, and you're doing amazing. Just keep practicing, and soon, speaking English will feel completely natural.
I will. And thanks again for all your help. I couldn't have done it without you.
You're welcome. Anytime you need a practice buddy, you know where to find me.
And that's a wrap. Thank you for joining us for this English speaking practice video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to try ordering food in English the next time you visit a restaurant. Keep practicing, stay confident, and soon you'll be speaking English like a pro.